All right, guys, this is the 56th hired request on the 2018 list. Gary Moore, I Still Got the Blues, live version. I'm going to sing the guitar part and play the keyboard part. Da, 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 da. Play the keyboard part now. I'll even show you that little melody on the top. So forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn. Welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson right here, right now. All the lessons for this are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Well over 5,000 lessons that I've been making for over 12 years now are on my website. I've been teaching for over 30, been recording lessons when YouTube started, and now we're up to well over 5,000 lessons on the site. And I'm adding more every few days. Continue to do that. If you are a complete beginner, or you need a refresher course, or you just need to get used to my method of teaching by chord using letters on the whiteboard, which has been very effective for many people. There are 79 beginner lessons on my site that'll get you going. Anyway, let's take a look at this. Let's do just the chords first, because the keyboard organ, whatever's playing there on the keys. A, C, F on the right, left hand on a D. 2, 2, 3, 2. It's 2 counts on each chord, and then I divided them into bars there. So A, C, F on the right, D on the left. That's a D minor 7. D, F, A is your minor. Add a C into that mix, and you've got a minor 7. 1. But you come in after the guitar goes do 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 do. So that's where you come in. 2, 1, 2. The next one is an F chord over a G bass. A, C, F. On the left hand, I'm just going to do maybe G, D, F, maybe G octave. I like the G octave better, I think. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. The next one is a C major 7 chord. C, E, G is your C chord, right? Throw a B natural in there, and you've got a C major 7. Jazzy. Next one's an F major 7. C, E, A, left hand on an F. The next one's a cool chord. What do you think that is? Well, your B, D, F is your diminished chord. You're on unstable, that sounds. Add an A to it, and it's called half diminished. B, half diminished. The next one's just an E7. B, D, E, G sharp, left hand on an E. 1, 2. If you want to do the bass guitar, you do E, C, A. If you want to put that in there. Right hand is C, E, A, C. 1. So let's do it again from the beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2. Da 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 da. I'm gonna put the melody in there. It's A, D, E, F, F, E, D, G, C, E, G, C, D, E. C, A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A, G, A, something like that. So you get but you know, we're doing piano lessons, keyboard lessons, so it's kind of neat just to play that along if you have a buddy to play guitar with you, because nothing plays that melody like a guitar. You have to have it for that. So hope you enjoyed that part 1 lesson. We'll do all of it. We have done all of it by the time you see this pianoteacher.com. See you guys later.